Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by signing in with your school Google account. This gives you access to Classes, Drive, and Docs. Once signed in, join using the class code your teacher provided. Enter it under the +Join Class button. Make sure to enable notifications and calendar sync so you don't miss due dates. Set a clear profile photo and display name so teachers can identify you. This helps with feedback and group work. After joining, open the class stream to see announcements and the first posted materials. Next, go to Classwork to find assignments organized by topic or date. This is where teachers collect work. When an assignment requires a file, click Add or Create, attach a Drive file, upload a PDF, or add a link. If you're working in Docs, use suggesting mode when requested and keep versions tidy with meaningful file names. When ready, click Turn in and confirm the status shows submitted. If you need to make changes, click Unsubmit when allowed and reupload. Use comments to ask clarifying questions directly on the. Finally, review grades and teacher feedback in the Grades view so you understand what to improve. If a teacher returns work, download or make a copy in Drive before trying again. Resubmit only when the assignment allows it. Use the mobile app to stay synced. Make sure sync is on, and offline files are available for low connectivity situations. If uploads fail, clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, and then contact your teacher with a screenshot. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.